In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline to text in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted your text to stand out on a busy background, adding an outline is a quick, reliable way to do it. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what each setting does and how to get a clean, professional result. First, make sure you have your text layer selected in the Layers panel. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and you can see the T icon indicating it's a text layer. This step is important because the effect we're about to apply will only target the active layer. Next, go to the menu bar and choose Layer, then Layer Style, and click Stroke. This opens the Layer Style window. With stroke already selected, you'll see a live preview on your canvas, so keep an eye on your text as you adjust the settings. Start by choosing a color for the outline. Pick a color that contrasts well with your background for readability. If you're working over a dark photo, a white or light outline usually pops. Over a lighter background, a darker outline works best. You can use the color picker to fine-tune your choice, and remember that subtle changes can make a big difference in clarity. Now adjust the size, which controls thickness. This is measured in pixels. A small size creates a thin, elegant edge. Increasing the size makes a bolder, more noticeable border. Try starting small and gradually increasing until the text is legible without overpowering your design. Set the position to control where the outline sits relative to your text. Inside places the stroke fully within the edges of your letters, keeping corners crisp and tidy. Center straddles the edge, half inside and half outside, which can soften the look slightly. Outside puts the stroke beyond the letter edges, great for thick outlines and separating text from textured backgrounds. If you need a sharp, precise result, inside is often the safest choice, especially with thinner fonts. Take a moment to preview how your choices work together. If the outline feels too heavy, reduce the size or pick a slightly softer color. If it's still getting lost, try moving the position to outside and add a bit more thickness. When you're happy with the way it looks, click OK. Your text now has a clean, customizable outline that improves visibility and adds polish to your design. That's all it takes. Simple, clear, and effective.